guys, this is HBM Organic Beauty. Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, guys. It's been a long time I uploaded a video. I've been so busy. But for today's video, I'll be making a powerful oil. This oil will enlarge your front side. It will enlarge those oranges on your chest. Like seriously, if you want to enlarge those oranges on your chest, this oil will do that for you. You want to enlarge your front side, you want it to be enlarged and firm, this oil will do that for you. Before we go into the video, I would like to address some issues like you coming to my WhatsApp to come and ask me if a particular DIY or if a particular thing I did in my video is actually my complete recipe or if it's effective. I'll be giving you the answer you seek for right now, because most time I don't really have all the opportunity to answer to all my WhatsApp messages immediately, because I am a very busy type. I am very busy, but I think I will address that question here. One is that if I never wanted to give you complete recipe, then I will not bother dropping video on that particular topic. But I drop a complete video on a particular topic because I decided to let that recipe go. I've decided to let it go. I've decided to give it out to the people. I've decided to give it out to somebody to try, because I know in one way or the other it will be helpful for one or two people. So many people have come to my YouTube channel telling me that they tried my DIY, it worked for them. Even so many people sells my recipe. Yes, they use it to make money. Fine, I'm not feeling bad, I'm not against that. I'm happy. I'm happy for you guys. Whoever have been using my recipe to make money, I am happy for such person. At least it makes me feel happy, because I know I have helped somebody out there. I have helped somebody to earn an income. Yeah, it does not make me feel bad. But what really turns my head, makes my head go gaga, is when someone comes to my WhatsApp message and someone comes to my WhatsApp profile and starts sending me messages like, are you sure it will work? Are you sure you dropped the complete recipe? Are you sure? I don't want to waste my money. Please answer me. If it will not work, tell me, because I don't want to waste my money. You know, comments like that, they can be so annoying. Please don't come to my WhatsApp profile and start dropping such comments. I don't like them. I don't just like it at all, because if I don't want you to practice a particular recipe I share, I wouldn't have shared it in the first place. Fine, I know I am a trainer, I train people, but at the same time, see, what you know it, and what you have passion for, you can never get tired of having inspiration for it. That is just the truth. That is why most time I advise people who want to go into YouTube, don't go into YouTube because you see someone doing that thing. Go into YouTube because you have passion for a particular niche you're going for. If you don't have passion for it, in fact your desire to have that YouTube channel or your desire to move on with that YouTube channel will die along the way, because you will run out of ideas. But when you have passion for what you do, you have passion for it, even when you sit down and sleep, inspiration will always come to your head. Formulas will always come to your head. One or two DIY ideas will always come to your head. Then when you put it in practice, you see them working. So please don't come and ask me if a particular recipe I share is effective or not. Number two is that, please, if you come to my channel, it's not must you should drop a comment. Instead of it dropping a nasty comment, why not just gently walk away? Just pass by and just walk away, instead of dropping bad comments on my YouTube channel. Why I'm saying this is that the last butt and hips enlargement oil I made, in fact I lost count of so many nasty comments that people dropped there. And this same butts and hips enlargement oil I DIY'd, so many people are thanking me because it's working for them. Yes, So many people are thanking me because that same oil that most people come and say nasty words to me about is working for others. So now you will not give a recipe a trial, then you just jump into conclusion. Most people are even telling me to turn my butt and show them my butt for them to see the size of my butt. For crying out loud, okay, you expect me to start flaunting my body on YouTube channel because I want to convince you? No, I cannot do that. I'm so sorry, I can't do that for you. If I drop a recipe, you want to follow the recipe, you want to do DIY that recipe, you are very free. And if it works for you, and if it works for you, it makes me happy. Like seriously, I don't drop fake recipe on my channel. I drop real recipe, and my complete recipe, I drop them on my channel. If I don't want to give a recipe to you, then I don't bother myself making that video. So guys, please let us adjust. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. I'm begging you in the name of God. So I am making a breast enlargement oil today. This breast enlargement oil, the recipe is complete, very complete, and this breast enlargement oil works. Like seriously guys, it works. I've done this breast enlargement oil countless times for some of my clients, and it's worked for them. Like seriously, it's worked for them. It worked for them. This is not a joke. This is not, I'm not trying to buy people to my YouTube channel. Like seriously, I am telling you the truth here. It really, this oil I'm about making really works. So and this oil is 100% organic. None of the enlargement oil I did on my YouTube channel is chemically based, but they are all organic oil. As you can see, it's not like it's not like I'm hiding anything. You see everything I use in making that oil. The whole of the oil is organic, so you are just be rest assured, you don't have to be scared. You are very safe with it. So in all the ingredients I'll be using to make this enlargement products, I'll be dropping the contact of the woman that sells it up on my screen. So if you need any of those ingredients, I'll be dropping a number on the screen for you to call and be able to get the ingredient to make this enlargement oil.